Hey guys, we're excited to show to you our new project that we're going to develop. I call this Scrabble AI Assistant. So first, we're gonna go through the readme.md and other markdowns and diagrams we need to study before we're gonna proceed coding this project. First, we're gonna develop a GitHub repository so we can store every documents that supports this project. Let's first we're gonna make directory for our Scrabble AI Assistant, and we're gonna cd into that. Then we're gonna make directory for our back, make directory for our front end. It will be two front end, one for web, one for mobile. We're gonna need to store also our docs, our diagrams, and readme here. Let's see. So we're gonna cd inside our docs and create readme.md. I have prepared one for this, so we're gonna check this later once we upload to GitHub. We have also one for our PRD. Let's call this prd.md, architecture.md, database schema API.md, our MVP roadmap. Let's call this roadmap.md, and we need to create directories for our diagram. cd onto those. Let's call this user flow. Let's call this user flow.md. Next is our er.md. Then our architecture diagram. Then our state flow chart.
So here we're gonna create a branch for our recently created local repo, and we're gonna add our origin. You can find it in the recently created GitHub repository. Copy the link and paste it. Remote add origin. Then we're gonna able to git push. -u means upstream tar origin main. Now we have seen our readme. We had refreshed the page and see all the details, the docs we have created. So the docs directory contains all the necessary documentation on how we are going to develop and program our Scrabble AI Assistant. So it also includes our system architecture, also the state flows, and our planned API endpoints. Further changes may be applied to our docs, but since this is the whole idea, it will be minimal since we have our roadmap. So I repeat, this is not a substitution for Scrabble game. This is just an assistant so that we'll be able to guess the top 5 best moves and make an action based on the AI analysis. And we're excited to do this project. And once we're done with that, let's start doing this. Let's go.